Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make chunky guacamole. Start by halving and scooping avocados into a bowl, then roughly chop onion, tomato, cilantro, and jalapeno. Squeeze fresh lime juice over the fruit to prevent browning and add brightness. Season gradually with salt and a pinch of pepper, tasting as you go. Keep the mix gently mashed so chunks remain, and serve immediately for peak texture and flavor. Handle ingredients with simple care. Tightly control salt and acid to enhance natural avocado flavor. Chop onions and tomatoes uniform in size so the guacamole mixes evenly and looks inviting. Seed the jalapeno if you prefer mild heat or include seeds for more kick. Fresh cilantro adds herbaceous pop, but use sparingly if you dislike its flavor. Always taste and adjust seasoning bit by bit until balanced and bright. Aim for a texture that feels satisfying on the chip. Mash just enough to break down avocado but leave pleasant chunks. Mix in chopped tomatoes, onion, cilantro, and jalapeno with light folding motions so the bowl stays chunky. Season in layers, tasting between additions to reach a balanced profile of salt, acid, and heat. Serve at room temperature so flavors sing, and enjoy the contrast of creamy and crisp in every bite.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.